If you've been scrolling on TikTok for a while, you've probably seen videos that start with a clip from someone else's content and then smoothly transition into another creator's reaction or continuation. That editing style is called a stitch. But what exactly does stitch mean on TikTok, and why do so many creators use it? Today, let's break it down in a simple and clear way so you'll understand how it works, why it's popular, and how you can use it yourself. On TikTok, Stitch is a built-in feature that lets you take a short segment from another user's video and attach your own clip right after it. It's different from a duet. A duet splits the screen, showing both videos at the same time. Stitch, on the other hand, places the videos back to back like a chain. This makes it perfect for storytelling, reactions, debates, explanations, and creative continuations. When you stitch someone's video, you're basically saying, "Let me continue this," or "Let me add something important to this conversation." Creators use Stitch for all kinds of content. One of the most common uses is answering a question or responding to a prompt. For example, someone might post a video asking, "What's the biggest red flag you ignored?" and thousands of people stitch it with their own stories. This format makes TikTok feel more connected, almost like different creators are contributing to one big conversation. Stitch also works well for reactions, especially when something surprising, funny, or unbelievable happens in the original video. By using Stitch, you can capture the context while still adding your personal take. Another reason Stitch is so popular is because it helps videos go viral faster. When many people stitch the same original video, the algorithm sees that it's inspiring a wave of engagement, which increases its visibility on the For You page. Meanwhile, the new stitched videos also benefit, because viewers are naturally curious to see how different creators respond to the same clip. It's a win-win for both the original creator and the one doing the stitch. If you're trying to grow on TikTok, using Stitch can help you tap into trending topics without starting from scratch. Using Stitch is also incredibly easy. All you have to do is find the video you want to stitch, tap the share button, and select Stitch. TikTok will let you trim the portion you want to use, up to 5 seconds, and then you can record your clip. Once you're done, you can edit, add text, music, or effects just like any other TikTok. It's a powerful tool that gives creators a lot of flexibility while keeping the platform fun and interactive. So, what does Stitch really mean on TikTok? It's more than just an editing feature. It's a way of participating in trends, joining discussions, reacting to moments, and connecting with other creators. It turns the platform into a collaborative space where anyone can build on someone else's idea and make it their own. Whether you're a casual user or a creator trying to grow your page, Stitch is one of the best tools you can use to make your content more engaging and discoverable. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and social media guides.